spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts and libraries and train rooms. You will find links to more information about each of the following products in the video description. This week's episode is brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by our friends at Diecast Models Wholesale. Family-owned and operated, Diecast Models Wholesale is one of the top direct distributors of diecast models in the USA. With over 10,000 different items in stock, this former Diecast Dealer of the Year award winner has the diecast or plastic kit car, truck, plane, tractor, or tank model you're looking for in a variety of scales and at competitive prices. Whether you're looking for background scenery vehicles or a specific model to customize your scene, Diecast Models Wholesale is the first place to look. Follow the link in the video description to peruse their vast catalog of models today. Now arriving at Atlas O retailers are limited quantities of the Premier and Fleet cars and a variety of paint schemes. The three-rail cars retail for $124.95 each. Also arriving are limited quantities of Atlas O's Union Pacific Premier log dump cars for $89.95 each, and also limited quantities of 11,000-gallon tank cars in several road names for $76.95 each. See your local Atlas O dealer for availability. Just in time for fall swap meet season, Kalmbach Books has released the Lionel Trains Pocket Price Guide 1901 to 2023. New prices and expanded listings showing all new Lionel products for 2023, featuring the latest prices on Lionel products for over 120 years of production. The Lionel Trains Pocket Price Guide 1901 to 2023 is packed with the latest market values for pre-war, post-war modern and tinplate trains, as well as post-war boxes and sets. Easy-to-read pages allow collectors to record prices inside the book, and a new size to make it easy to reference while at home or on the go. Follow the link in the video description for pricing. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Real King O-Scale Santa Fe 060 Imperial USRA steam switcher for MTH authorized retailer Patrick's Trains of Wheeling, West Virginia. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis, with an anticipated arrival date of November 2023. The pre-sale price is $469.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 O-Scale Premier 70-ton 3-bay hopper cars in Chessie System, Burlington Northern, Pennsylvania, and Pittsburgh and Lake Erie road names next spring. Each of these offerings will be available with unique car numbers in single cars for $74.95 each, and 4-car configurations for $279.95. All are limited in production and expect to begin shipping to MTH retailers in June 2024. MTH has announced a Premier O-Scale 40-foot AAR boxcar in 2 distinctive Vermont Railway liveries for MTH retailer Public Delivery Track. The cars will be available in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis beginning in December 2023. The early order price is $74.95 plus freight. And MTH has also announced an uncatalogued production of the Premier O-Scale 40-foot AAR boxcar in 2 distinctive Elgin, Joliet, and Eastern liveries for exclusive distribution by Berwyn's Toy Trains. The cars will be available in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis in 2 unique car numbers in each scheme beginning in December 2023. The early order price is $69.99 plus freight. And finally, for those cool autumn nights, how about snuggling up with one of these railroad-themed throw blankets from Amazon? Remember, this channel receives a small commission from qualifying purchases generated from these links, so you get the product you want and you can support our channel at the same time. That's all for this week. Watch for our latest long-form video going live this Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for watching.